Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing great, and today I will be teaching you how to make this beautiful card. Here I tried to give it a look of Rakhi. I added this cluster of flowers which says smile, and on the top I have this cute little tiny blue bow, and yes, it looks great. Here I have sentiment which says happy Rakshabandhan, and inside I tried to give it a pop-up look. It appears like gift boxes. Yes, it looks cute, and the empty spaces can be used to write down your personal messages. Yes, it has enough space to write down your messages. And here on the top I left the space too, so that you can write the name of your brother by which you call him. And yes, it looks great. I personally like this card a lot, and in case you guys might be wondering how I made this cute little tiny blue bow, do let me know in the comment section. In future I will definitely try to put up a video for this, and for those who like this, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and share this among your family, among your friends, among your relatives. And for those who are absolutely new to my channel, please do subscribe for the latest and creative updates. For this DIY kit is available at 120 rupees, and let's get started with the tutorial. To make the card we need black cardstock and pattern paper of different sizes. I will let you know the sizes of these pattern sheets in the video ahead. And next we need some glue, scissor, bone folder, scoring tool, pencil, double side tape and scale. First of all, we need a black sheet that measures 30 into 16 centimeter. We will give it a fold from the center, and then we will crease the dent by using a bone folder. You can always go for the back portion of your scissor to use it as a bone folder. And next we need a pattern paper that measures 29.5 into 15.5, and we will repeat the same procedure with this too. We will be using this sheet as the inside of our card, and for this we need to work on for the pop-up effect, and we will be marking here at 2 cm, 3 cm and 4 cm on the top and bottom sides. After that we will join the dots together, and we will draw very light lines. Hope you can see the lines. And afterwards we will turn the paper, and we will mark on the left and right side at 3 cm, 5 cm, 5.5 cm, 8.5 cm, 9 cm and 13 cm on both the sides. The dots that we are drawing on the other side is for a guideline purpose only, and we will be tracing the line on the lines that we lightly drawn earlier using these dots, so that we can attain a straight line. First two dots with the line drawn at 2 cm, then the other two dots at the line which is drawn at 3 cm, and rest 2 dots at the line which measures 4 centimeter. So here it is done. I will be highlighting to show you this correctly. Now we need to cut the horizontal lines only that I am showing with the scissor, and after cutting the line we will get something like this. And to cover this rectangular portion we need these colorful rectangular pieces. We will score it in the middle of all the 3 colored sheets. Now we will be going to paste them on their place according to their size. Please be extra careful while doing this step, as it's very necessary to dry the glue. Here I am trying to pop this out, but glue is not dry and my colored paper has been stuck out. Sorry guys, I went out of the frame unknowingly, and all I am doing here is trying to push the rectangular area out. Once all the rectangles pushed out, it will look something like this, and now they are functional. They can easily fold, and yes, we are done with this. Now moving ahead, we need to work with the front panel, and for this I will be using a white sheet and a pattern paper. I am going to distress the white sheet, which is completely optional for you, and in case you people want to distress the edges, you can always use your sketch pens. Now I will paste the pattern paper on the white sheet, and yes, I will apply a good amount of Fevicol for this. Oops, I just forgot to distress pattern paper, and this is how I like it, everything distressed. Now top panel is ready to get decorated. Here I am using a paper lace that measures 14 into 4.5 centimeter, and the pattern paper measures 14 into 3.5 centimeter, and here I am using this pattern paper in contrast to the background. I am using double tape here to give my card a popped up effect. It looks really great when things appear popped out. Double tapes are very sticky, so be very careful while playing with them. And yes, I think I have my band ready, and now I'll be trying to make a Rakhi over this. Here I am trying to build a composition, and I am looking for the best position for my leaves. It's very important to check the things out. Take your time properly and just look what looks great to your eyes. I'm using double tape here too to give it a popped up effect again, and firstly I am attaching my leaves so they don't look messed out, and now I'll be decorating the base of my Rakhi. I am adding the bow now. Yes, this bow is really cute. Please do let me know, friends, if you want the tutorial for this. And I have this bow included in the DIY kit as well. I do have these flowers in the kit, and here I am trying to find which will go with this. This mustard rose looks odd here, and I think the peach one will look great, and yes, it did to me. So I will be pasting this with some strong glue. Always try to play with your composition, as you know whom you are going to gift, how will he like it. And yes, after this I am adhering some leaves, and finally I will be adding my sentiment that says smile, and I have placed it using the double tape. Yes, it looks great. Now I am attaching this pearl to highlight the smile. Now I will be adding some glitter dots. I completely forgot that my card is not complete yet, but accidentally I put the drops. Please do this thing in the last, as this will mess your card. And now I am fighting with the difficulty it created. Now I can't turn it out to stick double tape here. I think I have enough double tape now, so I will be pasting this panel over the base. Yes, and next we need to add the inside of the card that we worked with the popped out gift boxes. Our card is ready, and here you can put your messages, and on the top I need to paste the sentiment that says Happy Rakshabandhan. Hope you guys enjoy the tutorial, and if you have any video request or any query related to this tutorial, do let me know in the comment section. I will definitely try to resolve that. That's it, friends. Thanks for watching.